Hello everyone, just grab this small mini iPhone from my Apple. This one iPhone 13 mini 256 GB red version. I wanted to have one small compact phone, so I decided to have this one, as Apple just stopped this mini lineup. This one could be the last one, so let's unbox this one and let's see how pretty this phone is. Yes, there is only lighting cable. Here is some papers, SIM ejector. This is the phone, beautiful red one. Looks really beautiful and very compact in hand. Let's open this one. There is a Apple logo. You see how compact this phone is in hand. Let's set this one. Okay, I will do the setup and just thank you for watching.